Hey guys, Photoshop lovers, welcome to a new tutorial with PSDBox. I'm Andrei, and today I'm going to show you how to create a photo effect in Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to transform a picture like this into something like this. It's an effect that you can achieve in pretty much any Photoshop version. I'm going to use Photoshop CC. I would recommend that you use at least Photoshop CS6 for some of the adjustments that we're going to use, but you can create a very similar effect in any Photoshop version. It's a pretty strong photo effect. Maybe some of you will not like it because it's over processed or whatever, but I'm gonna show you how to get these colors and how to get this kind of effect for your images. I'm just gonna use two stock images, as you can see, the image of my friend playing the guitar, and then here on the folder you'll find two PSD files. One is the post-process and one of them it's the raw edit of the image, and this is the post-process of that image. And here you'll find the stock photos, image of my friend in JPEG. I didn't have the raw file, so I don't have the raw file for this, and two background images. So I hope you will enjoy it, and let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm going to start with the image already extracted of my model here, my friend Ricard, and we're going to start with this. So I'm going to edit, copy, merged, and create my new canvas. And I'm just going to drag my layer over there. So this is the image that we're going to work with. Here on the layer mask, I've seen something that I did not crop correctly. Okay, now take a look at the hair, how I extracted this. I'm gonna disable the layer mask for a second, and you can see how I extracted this. Really simple. You don't have to make any fancy selections. Use the pen tool and just delete everything, and then with the soft brush just brush around and go from this to this. We're gonna paint the hair manually. So let's start. Let's create the new background. So after you crop the background, open these two stock images. On the original, I used another image. It's not this one, but I don't remember which one I used, so I'm gonna use another one. It doesn't really matter actually. So let's name this new layer BG1. Drop the background. The original one, I don't need it. This one we'll have to blur it, so I'm gonna go to filter, blur, and choose Gaussian blur. And I used 60 pixels of blur for this. I didn't want to see any kind of details on the background. And then let's not save that. And then I used this other one. You can use any image you want, at least as long as you have something on the background. I liked this kind of forest or whatever that thing is, and I'm going to place that on top of BG1, and I'm going to name it BG2.